We've all been there. You're having some great time with your friend munching away at some delicious foods. As the day progresses, you start feeling sick. It becomes even more suspicious when your friend also feels the same. Food poisoning is a general term that is used to describe getting sick from foods containing germs such as bacteria and viruses. The overall most common cause of foodborne illness is a virus called norovirus. It's very infectious and can spread easily from person to person through direct contact of those handling the food. As for bacterias, the most common to cause food poisoning is called salmonella. It usually resides in animal intestines, can be transmitted with uncooked meats, especially poultry, or if there's poor handling of meats at home or in the restaurants. Now, the list for causes of food poisoning is long, but the symptoms are very similar, and they include nausea or vomiting, stomach pain, diarrhea, and potentially fever. And this is usually within 24 to 48 hours of consuming the food. So the question many ask, are we able to treat food poisoning from home? And the answer is yes, most of the time. Fortunately, our bodies are more than capable of handling most cases of food poisoning on their own, so the management is usually supportive by drinking lots of fluids and having some rest, giving the body some time to clear the symptoms, which it usually does with no complications. However, some severe cases may require medical attention, especially if the symptoms are prolonged and worsening. In the minority of cases where medical care is needed, the doctor may run a few tests to look for the cause of the symptoms. They can provide support with fluids directly through the veins. That's if you're severely dehydrated, and potentially starting antibiotics. Overall, food poisoning can be an uncomfortable experience, but luckily, most cases resolve on their own, but make sure to stay hydrated and rest well. With that, we hope you have a better grasp of food poisoning. Make sure to subscribe. Until next time.